morning all. Today we are going to have a DT discussion on applications of a rectifier. So we all know what is a rectifier, right? It is one which converts a AC to DC. It is employed in all domestic appliances. So in today's session we are going to have a DT discussion on applications of rectifier. So we all know what is design thinking. It is a process of understanding the needs of the user. It has a 5 stages: empathy, define, ideate, prototype and testing. In empathy part, we will be identifying what are all the problems that is faced by the user. In define part, we will be defining what is the actual problem. After listing out the actual problem, we have to find out what is the solution. So for that, we will be listing out the ideas in the ideate stage. So after listing out the ideas, we will be designing a prototype that comes under the prototype stage. Finally, after designing a product, we have to check whether it meets the needs of the customer. It is done in the testing part. So all the 5 stages is used to improve the quality of a product. Okay. So in today's session, we are going to apply the design thinking approach on applications of the rectifier. So we can start the discussion after 5 minutes. Okay, let's start the discussion.
So hello everyone. We can see what differs DT from other problem solving techniques. DT is an iterative process. We use DT for human-centered problem solving method, and it differs from other problem solving method because we take empathy from peoples, and we do testing part and prototype, and if it is not properly tested and it is not properly happens in the prototype, we again iterate the process and start from the beginning. So we go from Tarni.
Yeah, hello everyone, I'm Tarni. I'm going to discuss about the empathy part. Empathy is the first stage in design thinking and is about understand the people's problems, emotions and needs. It involves putting yourself in the user's shoes to uncover the real problems. Here the users are electronic designers, engineers and power supply designers. The major problem faced by these users are inefficiency in power conversions, heat generations and minimalization the portable devices.
Myself Smaila, and we see what defines the process of taking the problem statement from the user, and our problem statement is users need a less weight, heat resistant and cost efficient rectifiers means for the solar appliances.
So I am Vishnu Rashmi. I am going to talk about ideate part. Ideate is the third stage of design thinking, where the goal is to generate various creative and potential ideas. Here are some innovative ideas to solve the defined problem. Use of gallium nitride semiconductor for higher efficiency, integrated compact heatsink or cooling system, and use of smart rectifiers with real-time feedback. Design model of plug-and-play rectifier units for solar.
I am Shivani. I am going to talk about prototype. Prototype is a early model of a product which is to be designed to test the program of it. Here the prototypes are design a small rectifier using a modern filters and diodes. Use simulations like LPT, SPICE and Protos and test with various systems.
Hello all, I am Vishmita and I am here to talk about the testing part. Testing is the final stage of DT, and in this case we check the efficiency, voltage regulation and thermal performance, and we gather feedbacks from the users like students and engineers, and the final is we refine based on issues like heat and size.
I would like to conclude by saying that by applying the design thinking approach to the applications of rectifier, we can move beyond a traditional design and create innovative, user-centered solutions that are more efficient, compact and adaptable. This process allows for a deeper understanding of user needs such as reducing heat energy loss, minimizing heat generation and improving reliability. Through ideation and prototype, we can explore new materials, smart integration and modern circuit designs. Ultimately, design thinking helps bridge the gap between technical feasibility and practical usability, leading to more sustainable and impactful rectifier applications in various industries like consumer electronics, renewable energy system and automotive technology.
So we had a discussion about design thinking approach on applications of a rectifier. So as Smaila said, we need to design a more compact and more reliable product. And Vishnu Vishini mentioned about the smart rectifiers. And also Dharni mentioned about the users. The users are electricians, it can be a product engineer or it can be a design engineers. And as Shivani said, we have to include a more recent softwares like SpacePice for testing the rectifier. So when we include this design thinking approach in the designing of the rectifier, we'll be getting a more innovative product. So each and every stage will be more refined. At the end stage, we'll be getting a more refined product, and we'll be getting a product which has, we'll be getting a rectifier which has a very less loss. We'll be having a high quality product will be there, and the power gain will be very high, and the losses will be very low, and the product will be very compact and will be more refined, right? So by using this design thinking approach, we'll be getting an overall quality of a product is very high, so which can be employed in any fields. So it leads to the more innovative products. So thank you all for your valuable points.